Hi, my name is Ian Bradley. We are at Green Spoon Studio Kitchen. Today we are going to be making our supreme chicken pizza. For the ingredients that we are going to use, so this is pizza sauce. I just have it in a bowl. This is marinated and fried chicken breast. These are capsicums. Here I have red, green and yellow capsicum. I have sausages with me, bacon, white onion, and for my spices, I have cumin seed powder, I have sea salt to saute, I have black pepper, white pepper, and onion powder. Then I have white mushrooms. This is how they look. These ones are just chopped to make my work easier. And white onion. First, we are going to fry our bacon and sausages. I'll be using virgin oil for this case. We heat our oil until it's very hot. So we're going to add our sausages in. I'm using a small amount of sausages because I'm going to chop them up to fit my whole pizza. So we're going to give them time, turning slowly. I'm going to add my bacon inside and carefully spread it on the pan. That's it. Alright, so my sausages are cooked. I'm placing them on a paper towel because I want them to dry up and drain off all the excess oil that they have. Okay, so now I'm going to preheat my pizza base. So I'll just add a bit of flour to the surface I'm using so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Using our pizza base, I'm going to place it here and now place it in the oven to preheat for 5 minutes. Always remember to use the lower section of your oven because we want the base to be crunchy and not the top. So that's why we use the lower section. I'll have it set at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Now that our pizza base is preheating, we're going to chop off our bacon and sausages into bite-able sizes. Our preheated pizza base is ready. Now that our pizza base is ready, I'm using pizza sauce, as you remember. So I'm applying a generous amount. It's very, very important to apply a generous amount. So you apply all around. We're going to add our mozzarella cheese. Remember, you add your mozzarella cheese onto the pizza sauce. Apply a generous amount. So I'm applying my chicken all around, ensuring that it's well spread. After that, I'm going to add my sausages, scattering them up. Then I'm adding my bacon. You only get these at Green Spoon. Now next, I'm adding my mushroom. Gently scatter your mushroom to ensure it is evenly distributed. That's a good amount. Finally, we are going to add vegetables. For my vegetables, I'm using red, green, and yellow capsicums to create the different blend in taste and flavor. And now finally, I'm going to use a bit of sesame seeds, as I mentioned earlier. Just apply a small amount, sprinkling all around. I'm going to add salt to saute, and I'm going to top it off with my mozzarella cheese. Ensure you spread the cheese to get the gooey, sticky texture. And that's it. So now we take it to the oven that was already preheated. Remember to use the lower compartments so that will ensure the base is crunchy. So now that our pizza is ready, we're going to take it out. And so today I've invited Ambrose from Green Spoon. He's going to be our moment of truth and test what we've made. Karibu.
Thank you. Wow, it's fantastic.
Nice.
It's really great.
Remember, you too, you can make yours at home. And as you have seen in our ingredients, you can get them all at Green Spoon. Go to our website, go to our app, we'll have them delivered to you.